And here it is. Here's the brand new iPhone 16 and the brand new iPhone 16 Plus. And there's a lot of really exciting things to talk about. First off, it comes in gorgeous new colors, including this beautiful pink. As you can see right here, you've now got a new dedicated button called camera control. So if you actually hold on it, the camera will open up. And if you actually do this slight touch, you're gonna get different options, such as switching between cameras, zoom. If you tap on zoom and actually swipe to the right, as you can see, I'm actually zooming in. It's actually giving me haptic feedback, which is incredible. You can also change, which this is incredibly useful, the depth. So if you're actually zooming in, you're gonna get better depth control, as you can see. The heart of the iPhone 16 is the brand new A18 chips, which allows features to run on device like Apple Intelligence. So for example, we can do things like, which by the way, the new Siri animation is just gorgeous. Anyways, what's sunset like in Cupertino? Wait, no, Barcelona. So as you can see, it's actually showing Barcelona, even though actually it said Cupertino first and then rectified directly to Barcelona, which is amazing. Not only that, but you can actually double tap and you can actually type in to Siri. So for example, what's the recent soccer game from Barcelona? You can type to talk to Siri now, and it will actually give me that Girona against Barcelona is actually playing on Sunday, which Barcelona is probably gonna win. So apart from camera control, check this out. We now have the action button, which is a previous feature that we had on the iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. And this available on the current base model iPhone is incredible. Something that really surprised me about the event is that the camera control, the action button, like there's a lot of features that we would expect to be on the Pro models. So there's not that many, there obviously is, but there's not that many differences compared to the Pro. So I feel like this iPhone will be extremely popular, especially this Barbie color. I mean, I feel like it will just sell like candy. Anyways, the action button. You can basically do it on a bunch of different things. For example, it's currently set to reminders. So you can basically just tap this. What would you like to be reminded about? You can basically be like, remind me about that soccer game that's happening on Sunday. But you can do things like Shazam. You can do things like the flashlight. Things that like we've previously seen and shown you before in the channel. The camera lenses are now vertically, first off, because you can actually shoot spatial video. So if you got an Apple Vision Pro and you want to remember certain memories, you can basically relive those straight from the iPhone 16 now, which was previously only a Pro feature. It's now available over here. And there's also great improvements with the camera. You now basically get 4 different lenses. This is the ×2, the ×1, the 0.5, and now for the first time ever coming to the ultra-wide, macro lens coming to the base model iPhone. The A18 chip lets users basically clean up. Let's say you don't want this guy. Nobody wanted that guy off the photo. I mean, he's gone forever. Also new with the 16 is you can now edit photographic styles, and there's actually a tons new one, vibrant, natural. We've seen these before, but now what's so cool about it is if you actually tap, you can actually do professional color grading, and this super simple UI will actually give you the tone, color, the palette. As you can see, you can actually switch between. I think that is the style that I like. It's extremely vibrant. And once again, there's tons of them. You actually go back, tons and tons of different ones. So yeah, as I said, the iPhone 16 comes in a bunch of new colors, which I think will be extremely popular. Starting off with this ultramarine blue, this teal, which is this very shadowless, non-saturated green, which looks incredible. The pink, which is, I mean, come on. Last year was the year of Barbie, and it's still not stopping. This pink will be extremely popular. The standard white and the standard black, they're both this, this really frosted glass that we saw on the iPhone 15. Love the colors for this year, especially the ultramarine, and the pink will be my personal favorites of the year. So there you have it. That was the iPhone 16. If you want to keep discovering what's new with the iPhone 16 Pro, you can tap this, or with the Apple Watch Series 10, you can tap this. Thank you so much for watching. Obviously, if you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. A lot more Apple content coming soon.